Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed practice set 9.1. Now in this video we will start the next topic, commission. So firstly we will understand the meaning of commission. Sometimes it is not possible for a company to sell their manufactured goods. In such cases the company assigns responsibility of selling the goods. For examples, books, clothes, soaps, etc. The person gets some remuneration. Remuneration means salary, amount, payment for the service. The remuneration is called the commission, and the person who provides such a type of service is called the commission agent. And the commission is decided in terms of percentage. The rate of commission vary according to the types of goods. Very simple. So the commission is always given in the percentage and it is calculated on the selling price. Understood? So see the solve example from your textbook. Shripati sold a land for the rupees 2,50,000 to Mr. Sadashiv through a broker. Broker received 2% brokerage. Brokerage means a commission. And who received? The person, the special word is for that is a broker. It is a commission agent. Brokerage means commission, broker means commission agent. So find the total brokerage received by the broker. Very simple. So firstly write down the selling price. So price of the land is a 2,50,000. So therefore brokerage is equal to 2,50,000 multiplied by 2% means 2 upon 100 is equal to 5,000. So brokerage received from the both buyer and seller. So therefore total brokerage is equal to 5,000 plus 5,000. 5,000 for the buyer, 5,000 from the seller. So it is total brokerage is 10,000 rupees. Very simple. Now see the next is a rebate. The organization like Khadi, Gramodyog, handloom, shops, handicraft, selling centers, bachat groups, etc. give the attractive discounts on special occasions. So for example, at the time of Gandhi Jayanti, the Khadi textile goods are discounted for promoting Khadi. So at such a times, the amount of discount is compensated by the government. This monetary compensation is known as the rebate. Rebate means it is one of the type of discount. So hence rebate is also a type of discount. The individual having income up to certain limit also receives some discount on their payable income tax. This discount is also known as the rebate. Very simple. Now let us move to the practice set 9.2. See the first question. John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for publisher. For this he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. Very simple. So the selling price of books, yes, 4,500 rupees. Rate of commission is of 15%. So commission obtained 15% of 4,500. So 15 upon 100 multiplied by 4,500. So 2 zeros are cancelled. So 15 multiplied by 45 is 675 rupees. Very simple. See the second question. Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by Rafiq. Very simple question. So firstly, the selling price 15,000 is given and 4% commission percentage is given. So from that we calculate the actual amount of commission, means 4% of 15,000. And find the amount received by Rafiq. To calculate this amount, we subtract the 4% of 15,000 from the 15,000. Okay. See the solution here. firstly we have to write what is given. So selling price is equal to 15,000 rupees and the commission is given in the percentage. So commission is equal to 4%. So firstly we will calculate the actual amount of commission. So write down the formula for commission is equal to selling price multiply by commission percentage. So selling price is 15,000 multiply by commission percentage is 4%, means 4 upon 100. Now calculate this. So these two zeros are cancelled. 15 4s are 60, 0 as it is. So commission is equal to 600 rupees. Now see the question in that how much amount received by the Rafiq. So therefore amount received by Rafiq is equal to selling price minus commission. Now put the values. Selling price is 15,000 minus commission is 600. So the subtraction is 14,400 rupees. So therefore write down answer line. So the commission paid by Rafiq is 600 rupees and the amount received by Rafiq is 14,400 rupees. This is the answer. Now see the third question. A farmer sold food grains for 9,200 rupees through an agent. The rate of commission was 2%. How much amount did the agent get? So here we calculate the amount of agent. Agent means commission. Okay. See the solution. So firstly we will see what is given. Selling price of food grains is equal to rupees 9,200 and commission is given in the percentage. So commission is equal to 2%. So here we calculate the actual amount of commission. So firstly write down the formula. Commission is equal to selling price multiply by commission percentage. So selling price is 9,200 multiply by commission percent is 2 upon 100. So these two zeros are cancelled. 92 2s are 184. Therefore the agent got rupees 184 as commission. Very simple. See the fourth question. Umatai purchased following items from Khadi Bhandar. So first item is 3 sarees for 560 rupees each. 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. On the purchase, the received a rebate of 12%. How much total amount did Umatai pay? Very simple question. So firstly here we calculate the total cost of sarees by taking multiplication. Total cost of honey bottles by taking multiplication means 90 multiplied by 6 and 560 multiplied by 3. So here we calculate the total cost of both items, and on that cost the rebate is given. Rebate means a discount. So we calculate the 12% of total cost, and that rebate is subtracted from the total cost. Okay, see the solution. The cost of 3 sarees is equal to 3 multiplied by 560, because the cost of one saree is 560. So it is 1680 rupees. The next item is the cost of 6 bottles of honey is equal to 6 multiplied by 90 equal to 540 rupees. So total cost is equal to cost of sarees, that is 1680 plus cost of 6 bottle is 540. So this is the 2220 rupees. Now we got the total cost of purchasing item. So here we calculate the rebate. So rebate is equal to total cost multiplied by rate of rebate or percentage of rebate. So the cost is 2220 multiplied by the rebate is given the 12%. So 12% means 12 upon 100. Now calculate this amount. This is the 1.2. So 1.2 multiplied by 220 is equal to 266.40 rupees. So now we got the discount amount. Rebate means discount. So we subtract from the total amount. So amount paid is equal to total cost minus rebate. So total cost is 2220 minus rebate is, actual amount of rebate is 266.40. So it is a 1953.60 rupees. So write down the answer line. So therefore Uma Tai paid rupees 1953.60, and this is the answer. Now see the fifth question. Use the given information and fill in the boxes with suitable numbers. Srimati Deepanjali purchased a house for rupees 7,50,000 from Srimati Leelaben through an agent. Agent had charged 2% brokerage from both of them. So see the first. Srimati Deepanjali paid. So Srimati Deepanjali paid the 7,50,000 multiplied by 2% is a brokerage. So 2 upon 100. So here we calculate that. 7,500 multiplied by 2 is 15,000. So brokerage for purchasing the house. Second, Srimati Leelaben paid brokerage of rupees. Brokerage is 15,000. Total brokerage received by the agent is rupees 15,000 agent received from Deepanjali and 15,000 he received from Leelaben. So total is 30,000 rupees. Fourth is the cost of house Srimati Deepanjali paid is rupees. Deepanjali paid 7,50,000 to the Leelaben and 15,000 to the agent because brokerage is 15,000. So total is 7,50,000 plus 15,000. So it is 7,65,000. So the cost of house Srimati Deepanjali paid rupees 7,65,000 rupees. And the last is the selling price of house for Srimati Leelaben is rupees. Srimati Leelaben sell the house in 7,50,000. So from that he paid 2% brokerage means 15,000. So here we take the subtraction. So the selling price of house for Srimati Leelaben is 7,50,000 minus 15,000. So it is 7,35,000 rupees. So here the practice set 9.2 is over. Thank you.